freaking cool. You know, he's trying to influence, he's trying to open up, and he's amazing. Look at that energy. Look at that, that was awesome. Good stuff. You want to give him more time?
No.
Okay.
My love is just Rastafari, so skating has become like a joy for me, where before it was almost like my transportation, plus it was like, man, my everything, my protection. So I don't even care about like money or like even whatever's like, cause skating just became like very mainstream officially with the Olympics and everything, and like, wow, yeah, it's just a different world. I don't even know what to say. Man, just skate for the love and like Rastafari is the only way.
One thing that I've learned about jumping off this rock, even from time to time, I jumped a couple of times, and you know what? I still feel fear. Isn't that crazy? And I made a decision to jump. And then me and my brother were talking about this really cool quote that says like success and freedom, it's on the other side of fear. And I think that's insanely powerful. Such a powerful quote, you know, to apply on a daily life basis. Again, metaphors. I love metaphors. Freedom and success is on the other side of fear. Tell me about how you feel jumping off the rock. What was it?
It is definitely an experience that you don't go through every day.
What was it?
It was high up. It was counterintuitive. You don't want to jump, but you jump.
Yeah, eso. And then after you did it, how do you feel?
Liberated,
Right.
but not all the way. Makes you want to go again.
This is a great thing to do, you know, between me and my brother. We're exploring, finding new things, doing new things. And you know what's really cool too? Like in between times, the conversations that him and I have, you know, very bonding, very interesting. You know, it's like anything else. Like, you know, when you travel with someone else, it's not all perfect. You know, there's like, especially when it's like brother and sister, or brother. You know, it's family. You know, we always not necessarily, we don't have conflict, but we do talk about, you know, life and things like that. And to me, it's just, it bonds us, and it's a great, amazing thing that I chose a really amazing traveling partner. You know, that we are sharing everything, food, you know, the cost of the bills, the hostels.
The hostel doesn't have air conditioner. They have smaller beds. It's not as clean. This is a lot cleaner.
Our time together, and I just love it. I think I feel super insanely more connected to him, and I think him to me, you know, about having each other's company, you know, to explore the island, to explore, you know, the bus rides and the waves and be in the water and get sunburned together. And I don't know, it's really great. You know, I encourage people to do the same. Connect with your brother and your sister, you know. Talk about the differences and then settle those, and then continue to go about it. You know, like I think it's super powerful because it just makes you a better person at the end of the day. It makes me a better person right now, you know, that I'm with him. No conflicts, no, nothing at all, not at all, you know. But we have our ups and downs because it still is a traveling trip, you know. Like I'm not showing you everything that is like, yeah, it's magic, it's fun, it's cool. It is fun and cool, you know. But it also we're humans. Everybody's human, so. Just stick around. Get it?
You try one?
Oh, yeah, sure.
It's so sweet.
What's it called?
Strawberry guava.
It's fucking delicious, eh? We hear waterfalls. That's fucking badass, man. The hike down, it's a lot, but it's really worth it. Look at this, like the pool, the little rope that you can jump off, and it is a gorgeous thing to do. Definitely worth it. There's no money can't buy you this. There is a lot of chickens here in Hawaii, a lot of roosters and chickens. One of the things that I learned today when going down the waterfall was always say yes for the most part to a lot of things. You know, say yes to nature, say yes to hikes, say yes to new friends, say yes to connecting with the world, connecting with the people, connecting with nature. So anybody if out there who always says no, maybe say yes. Maybe.
Yeah, we could treat you since you took us on this cool hike.
What was your name?
I don't see us doing
Carrie.
it tonight because we're probably not be
No, like another day.
we'll
Yeah.
hit you up another day. then.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give
Oh
you
yeah,
my,
let me give
yeah, I'll
you.
give you my Instagram and then I'll send you the
Yeah.
video once it's done. So.
And then yeah, it's here. Oh hey, little chickie.
It's like one.
You and I know a few people then?
We do?
Yeah, we do.
Oh,
who
it's
do
a
we know?
small world. Let's see. Wait.
No, wait.
One is Andre. Oh, you know Riley Eastman?
Yeah.
I used to be his boss.
He used to be my boss.
He's so sweet. Oh.
Right? Small world.
And Trevor. Oh. Lahan.
Small world. Another really cool thing about connecting is that I just gave her my Instagram, and her and I have a few friends in common, and she used to work for the same places that I used to work for. Anyway, small world. Small connections are everywhere, so keep connecting. Keep connecting. It's a good thing. Alright, so this is our last night here in Oahu, and you know what? It's been great. It's been really amazing because, well, first of all, because I got to hang out with my brother, and you know, it's really cool to travel together. This is one of the trips that I wanted to take with him, you know, and just to show him what Hawaii is all about. Most families, well, a lot of families out there, you know, like we lose ourselves, and you know, we lose ourselves to not bond with family, to separate ourselves, and I think it's important for us to admit that we ourselves are wrong, and you know that sometimes it's time to, you know, do a collective way of bonding, and that is getting out of the comfort zone, inviting each other, helping each other, exploring, show perspective. Just
just a lot of very special moments from this island that you can't buy with money or certain things in life, I guess. You know, you're always like focused on money, like always focused on power, you always focus on status, like things like that. And this levels it out pretty much, and it humbles you. So you're ready to go back into society and do your part, whatever you do.
There's so much to this island and to all these islands, and we're insanely happy about this whole trip, and you know, and the most important thing was just us connecting, you know, and
Priceless.
yeah, very priceless. See you guys. Like, subscribe. I'm Luis Tovar.